Welcome to MBS-Standoffs Sales Tax Certificate Upload Process. Please begin by going to MBS-Standoffs.com to get started. Go ahead and navigate to the bottom of the home page to locate and click on the MBS Pro banner found on the left. Once located, start the process by filling in your email, first and last name, and phone number. If you already have an account, you will be prompted to log in. From there, you can check your exempt status from your account dashboard. If you do not have an account, an email confirmation will be sent to get you all set up. Open the confirmation link and proceed by filling in all the information along with your tax exemption info. Once all is done, you have finalized the application at the bottom by clicking Apply. We will send you a confirmation email that your account is being reviewed. From there, please give us up to 24 hours to review the application and ensure all proper documents have been received. An email confirmation will be sent within that time frame to inform you that your application has been approved or what we might need to complete in full if something is missed. Thank you for shopping with MBS-Standoffs and being a preferred business partner. Please begin by going to MBS-Standoffs.com to get started.